Hey guys, I'm doing the Lego, my second Lego review on the Forest Lego City Forest Police patrol car. It's at 4436, and then here's the box. Front of the box, then the back of the box. The finger here shows you where to open. This is like just a little comic. Lego over here. Here shows you the characters. And over here, like the main character or something. And then this side and that side are really actually nothing. So, and down here, look, picture. So I got this at Target, and then start off with the minifigures. Here's the Crook. He's like a little hat. His like jail uniform, and then his face has like a mustache around him or something. Evil looking smile, and then he has a golden tooth. You can't really see it in the camera, but you can see it up close if you have this. Okay, there. That's the Crook. Now, here's the police. He has this like big sun hat. Uniforms brown. He has like, and then his pants are dark blue. It's different from the real city police. It's like a new one for 2012. His back. Okay, and then now, yeah, his glasses, his face has glasses. Can't really see it under. Well, you could see it from under the hat, but it's really hard to see from far away. And now, the patrol car, the side has this police, that's a sticker. Yeah, and then up here, police sticker, blue siren light, and then over here is also a sticker. Ooh, and go for that. And then also windshield sticker. And then got a light over here. These are supposed to be mirrors. And then yeah. Should I speak louder? Because these are supposed to be mirrors. Light, sticker. Weird, very nice. Just a very nice detail. Yeah, and I really like this set. I like just opened it today, but I got it like the week before last week. So it's really nice. And then over here, like the entrance to the forest, bear warning sign, these things, it's not actually for people to cross, it's more of to help the car go up and down. Okay, so this thing can open and close. Just pull this part, open, close, open, close. these are actually like jail doors, but right now they are just using them as fences or stuff. But these are supposed to be jail doors. And then, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll do other reviews, and my last review was the Lego Ninjago Venomora Shrine. So, bye. Oh, and you only get one manual. Actually, I'm not done. You only got one manual. Show you how to make them. I thought I was done, but I'm not. So, now, it has, let's see. It has 25 pages, 21 directions. And then over here it shows the whole set combined together. The whole set of Forest Police. And then on here it shows the sets. Okay, then over here it shows the poster of Lego Universe. Over here, Forest Fireman set. And then over here, just a Lego City Police game. And then there's a list that shows you how many. The handcuff says 1X, but it's actually 2X because there's an extra. So, actually, I forgot to show you something in the car. Handcuffs. I put the little handcuffs in the car. And they actually can fit both the prisoner and the cop. I'll show you. Like, after the cop catches it, he puts the prisoner in his car. Prisoner and the cop in the car. It's supposed to handcuff him, but I was too lazy to handcuff him. Okay, now, yeah. So that's about it, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for watching. So remember to leave some comments, and bye.